Hello friends, Tanya here with a product close-up video from the Autumn Impressions release. I'm going to share with you the Maple Leaf Layers Cut and Foil die set. It has 3 dies that cut maple leaf layers. We have a solid image that will cut the outline. We have 2 layers, one that is smaller than each layer gets smaller, and layers to create a beautiful leaf. We also have a foiling plate that foils the veins and the outline of the leaf. And you can use all of the layers to die cut the foiled image. It's a really unique foil and cut set. I love this. It's going to create so many beautiful fall leaf projects. Here I'm laying out some of the foiled layers that I have cut out with the coordinating dies, and you can see the difference between the different widths or thicknesses of the layers. Here I have all 3 of the die cut layers glued together. The bottom layer is a gold vellum. And now I'm going to show you how to create a foiled leaf using this plate. So I have my heated up platform here, and I'm going to secure the foiling plate to the layers before I put them on the heated platform. So I have cardstock, foil, pretty side up, and then the plate with the detail side down. Tape that to the sandwich, and then I'm going to put the foiling plate down first on the platform because that needs to get hot. Once it's been on the hot platform for long enough, you run it through your die cut machine, and voila, you have this beautiful foiled image. I used red on red here, and I'm going to die cut this foiled image, and this will fit through small die cutting machines like the Sidekick. I'm going to just use a little bit of tape here, low-tack tape, making sure not to have any of the tape touch the foiling because it can dull the foiling or peel it up. Just going to run that through my die cut machine, and then it will pop right out. I'm impressed that it fits through the smaller die cut machines. I just love the glimmer and shine from that. And here is a project I created using many of the pieces I cut for this video. I just love the way you can create a wonderful autumn feel. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please take a moment to do that now. And if you're interested in this die foil and cut set, it is linked in the description box below. Until next time, bye-bye.